Why PV installation software is a must-have for installers. Your calendar's full, your margins are tight, and every job lives in 5 apps and 3 chats? If it is familiar to you, let's talk about how PV installation software changes that and why it is a must-have for installers. The biggest slowdown in solar isn't on the roof, it's in your workflow. Installers lose time chasing photos, quotes, updates, and working with multiple tools. PV installation software fixes that by keeping everything connected. PV installation software, also known as solar design software, is a tool you can use to design the layout of your solar installations. Instead of juggling 5 systems, you use 1. That means fewer subscriptions, less mistakes, and faster projects. What you see on screen matches what's built on site. Send accurate visual quotes in minutes instead of days. Everyone works from the same dashboard. The result? Happier teams, faster installs, and better customer experience. With PV software, you can forecast, plan, analyze, and track every detail. But without software, there are more errors, projects are delayed, customers lose trust, and teams are demotivated, leading to lower profits. How OpusFlow ERP solution helps. OpusFlow brings everything together: CRM, design, planning, stock control, project management, automation, and more. PV installation software is a key to connected workflows. It means fewer errors, predictable installs, and solid cash flow. Interested to find out more? Read the full article on our blog, opusflow.io/blog, and see how PV installation software can transform your business.